What's up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. You're watching Shoe DIY, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Jordan 11. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Jordan 11s for this cool relaxed look. So let's get into it. We're going to place this one over here so we can see what we're aiming towards, and we're going to be lacing up the right shoe. Now before we start, I would recommend that you pack out your shoes with some socks. I've already put some socks up to here and now I'm going to put some more in. And the reason for that is to try and broaden out your shoe as if your foot's sitting inside it, and then that's going to help you to get those wider loose laces. And it also helps you to use up more lace so you just get enough at the end for that loose lace look. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the lace up through the first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just bring your lace a little way up into the shoe, and then when you pass your lace across the front, I recommend that you run it between your fingers and your thumb just to flatten it out a little bit more. Then bring the lace up through the hole on the inside of the shoe. Again, you only need to bring it up a little way, and then to make sure that your laces are the same length on both sides, put your ends together and pull up, just like that. Now if you do find that your lace is twisted a little bit, just pull it out equally on both sides and just gently draw it back up again, and you'll find that the twist comes out. So we're going to take that outside lace across to that second hole on the inside. When you bring it across, you're going to keep it nice and relaxed as well. You don't want to pull it tight, so we're just going to keep that amount of tension on the lace. Then take the inside lace, bring it across to the second hole on the outside of the shoe. And just a tip for making sure that your laces don't twist: if you hold onto your lace and draw it down, just bring it in just nice and slowly, you'll make sure that your lace hasn't twisted. And you want to be giving that kind of tension on your laces, so you want to be keeping it nice and relaxed so that you're going to use up more lace. Then take the outside lace across to that third hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace across to that third hole on the outside. And then we're just going to check the laces on this side compared to here, and you can see that these are very, very relaxed. There's a lot of movement in there. And so if you feel that you want to make them even looser, if you just pull your shoes out like this, it will just pull them out a little bit more. Then we're going to take that outside lace across to the next hole, the fourth hole on the inside. Again, just holding onto your lace, draw it down nice and loose and slowly. Then take the inside lace and across to the fourth hole on the outside. I'm just going to pull them out a little bit more, and I'm going to push the sock down a little bit more as well, just to broaden out that shoe. Like that, and that's going to help us get those nice loose laces. So I'm just going to make sure that they're all looking just the way I want them to. And then we're going to take that outside lace, we're going to bring it across to the next hole on the inside. And you'll find as well, as you work your way up the shoe, it's best to try and get those laces just a little bit looser, because as you can see here, the shape of the shoe comes out, so you want to just allow for that little bit of extra looseness, and it also helps you to get your foot inside the shoe when you come to wear it. So take that inside lace, take it across to the outside hole. Again, just getting a little bit looser as you go up. And then we're going to take that last outside lace across and up through the top hoop here. Now some people like to wear it down, so they'll bring their lace across and take it down. It's really personal preference. I'm going to take mine up. If I can get it into the hoop. Like that. And then it's going to give me that great curl that I like on my laces to give it that nice loose lace look. And then I'm going to take the last bit of lace, take it up through that hole on the outside of the shoe like that. And then I'm just going to bring it up and over. Just make sure that they both match each other on both sides. Check that my laces are nice and loose all the way down. And there you've got your loosely laced Jordan 11, looking cool and relaxed. So there you have your loosely laced Jordan 11s. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.